Thank you.
Yeah, right. So let's start the quickly recording. Sorry, quick start demo, right?
Sure.
So today we start on a discussion called CPQ, right? So have you heard about that? What is a CPQ? Why we are using on it?
Yeah, I know that it is a configuration price configuration tool that we use in Salesforce for quoting for a contract.
Ma'am, configuration, price, and code. So basically, in the CPQ we are using on, they demonstrate the knowledge, skills, and ability, and about complex product modeling using on AI. I mean, you have to configure the very huge products. In this product, they have a multiple attached products is there. For example, we have a mobile is there, right? So in this mobile, for example, if you take it for the Apple, in the Apple, once you have to purchase the Apple mobile, you have to separately purchase with the Apple charger, adapter, and cable, and AirPods, and case, and warranty, etc. things. Right? So here, Apple is a product. Apple, iPhone is a product, right? But in this product, we have some future products is there. We have a future products is there, like adapter, okay, and charger cable, and earpods, and cases.
Excuse me, sorry, Nandakumar,
oh,
sorry.
I'm not sharing. Sorry, sir, I'm not sharing my screen, right?
Yeah, that's right. I didn't see that. That's what I wanted.
One second. I will share.
Sure.
Sorry. Are you able to see my screen, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah. So in this case, iPhone is a product. So these are the subproducts. So in this subproducts, I want to add it into the cart page, and what type of price you are giving, right? And in this price, how much discount you have to give in, and finally, how immediately you got for the quote. So these all the configurations, it is complex on it. For example, as of now, iPhone 14 in next month or 2 months, it's coming on it, right? But for example, here the product was 1 lakh rupees. The product is 1 lakh rupees, and in extra, these all products, it will be taken on around 25,000. Let's suppose 25,000. So approximate 1,25,000, right? 1,25,000. But I want a discount. Actually, in the iPhone product, they're given on a 5% discount. 5% discount. But I want for the extra discount. I want for the 15% discount. I want 15% discount. So immediately the shopkeeper will be given on to the 15% discount. The salesperson they given on the 15% discount. No. Only in the salesperson in hands only 5%. But if they given the 15% discount, so at that time the salesperson will immediately raise a mail to some concerned person. Once approved on it, then they given on the 15%. Otherwise, it cannot given on to the 15%. Ma'am, this point clear?
Yes.
And after that, here if you want to calculate this 15% discount and how much price it will be getting on it, everything we can calculate it in manually. in normal Salesforce applications, in normal Salesforce Sales Cloud application, if you want to give this type of approach, it will be taken some huge length of time, right? But in the Salesforce CPQ point of view, we have in the code page, there are the different components are there. Different components is there. So this is the normal discount component. After that, this is the additional discount. In the additional discount point of view, when the customer they asking about that how much discount they require, right? So immediately if you mention the 15% discount, automatically it can applicable with how much, I mean, the 15% discount, some amount will be coming, some amount will be appeared. This is a very simple process while using on the CPQ. These 2 points clear, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So in the Salesforce CPQ, okay, it is useful for to build a business bundle configurations and pricing, output documents, and renewals and amendments. So to build the bundle configurations, in a sense, this iPhone is a one product. In this product, they have a bundle products is there. Adapter is one bundle product. Cable is one bundle product. Earpods is one bundle product. Okay. Cases is a one product. And warranty, this is all the products. These all comes under to this area, bundle products. Bundle products. This feature is not available on in all our Salesforce products. Like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Education Cloud. These are the clouds. Okay, just ignore all these all the clouds. Basically, CPQ, it is mainly using for, it is a more advantage. Okay, and it is an extension of Sales Cloud. It is an extension of Sales Cloud. Okay, so in the Salesforce Sales Cloud, this feature is not available. Only Salesforce CPQ, this feature is available. Ma'am, are you clear?
Okay. Yes.
I will show you one picture as well. Okay. Paint. For example, madam, this is a card page, right? This is a card page.
I can't see your screen.
Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Come on. What happened? Yeah. Oh, screen. Show. Ma'am, are you able to see my screen? Paint screen?
Yes.
And notepad?
Yes.
Both?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. No, I can't see both. I can only see your paint screen.
Okay. Ma'am, at a time these two are not available, ma'am. Okay.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, right. Let's see. This is one small example. I will demonstrate to you, easily to understand. So, for example, this is the cart page. Ma'am, cart page in essence, we already aware on it in the Amazon cart page, in the Flipkart. Once you have to select it on it, you click on add a cart button. So once you click on the cart button, automatically the products will be coming under the cart page. Right? Similarly, in the Salesforce CPQ also, we have a one cart page is there, right? So initially you have to mention on the iPhone. Okay. After that, they have a some product, sub-products is there now. They are the some sub-products is there. Sub-products in a sense, this is the points like adapter. Okay. And after that, cable. And after that, cases. And after that, any other earpods, right? And I want for the warranty. Warranty. Okay, ma'am. These are the products will be added on it. So here, how much quantity you require? How many quantities you require? Yeah. So how many quantity you require? I want for the one. and cable are required for the 2, and cases I want to require for the 3, and earports I want for the 1, and warranty 1. Okay, these are the quantity. After that, price, everything you have to add it. Once click on the here, we have a one button called go to cart. Okay, no, save page. Save page. Once click on the save button, automatically these are all the products. It will be coming on to the next page. In this page, that is a invoice page. That is the invoice page. So when the customers or when the sales representative, it is easily to sell the products. It is easily, right? When the salesperson, it is easily to configure the products, and it is easily to add the quantities, and it is easy to add the discount. And once the discount will be very good for the product, good for the customers, immediately they raise the invoice, they sold the products. Ma'am, this point clear, all of you? Good?
Yes, but I have a question here.
Yeah.
So this page that you're creating, is this an invoice page to the customer, or is it the configuration page that you're talking about?
It is a cart page, ma'am. This is a cart page. In this cart page, you have to add the products.
So
in this cart page, you have.
So the use cases, is this for the customer, or is it while you're creating it?
Initially, we are creating on it, ma'am.
Okay.
Initially, you have to create it.
Okay, so this is the configuration you're doing for this.
Yes. In the sales, in the CPQ, entire it is a configuration. Customization part, it is very less.
Okay.
Everything in a configuration. Point on a click.
Okay.
That is the main advantage why a lot of the companies and a lot of the customers are using on the CPQ. It is easily to configure and easily to add the price and easily to create a quotations. Create a quotations. That is a very simple product. This is not. Everything in a configuration. And when compared to the Salesforce objects and fields, where in the CPQ have some extra fields is there. Some extra fields is there. I will explain everything. Everything in the fields I will explain in a future classes. So first of all, you have to understand about that. What is the CPQ and why we are using on the CPQ? That's it.
Okay.
Clear, ma'am? Right. So basically, CPQ in a sense, right? Configure.
Can you switch, please?
Sorry, ma'am.
Can you switch your screen back to where you are typing in?
It is not. It is visible, right?
I can see the paint screen, the paint page.
No, now I'm in Notepad, ma'am.
Oh, is it? Okay, I can't see the Notepad. I can still see this. Can you stop sharing and then try sharing again?
Yeah, okay, 1 second. Are you able to see my screen, ma'am?
Yeah, I can now. I can see the screen.
Right. Configure, price, and quote. Configure, price, and quote. So, initially, I will tell you in Salesforce, okay? In Salesforce, CPQ, it enables the sales team, okay? Sales team, right? To quickly go ahead and create a quote with very minimum effort. So as I told you, and the salespersons, based on the client requirement, they had the products, they had the prices and quantities and discount. This is the very simple, right? And
Yes.
in the Salesforce CPQ, okay, have a lot of benefits is there, man. So in the Salesforce CPQ, it increases the sales revenue and increase the profits and increase the speed, and it reduces the human error. It reduces the human error. See, if I go and see here I'm given the 15% discount. So in the 15% discount, it can calculate it in a manually. It will be taken some time, or you have to mistaken some the wrong amount. But in the Salesforce CPQ, it is not given any mistakes.
Correct.
Everything it will be given out of the proper manner and proper values. Values, right? Basically, nowadays they have a lot of CPQs is there now. After CPQ, Oracle CPQ, and IBM CPQ is there. But lot of the clients and they interested on the Salesforce CPQ, because Salesforce CPQ is a rich user interface. And Salesforce CPQ functionality runs on own standard objects. I hope you are aware on the standard objects, right?
Yes.
Okay. And Salesforce will give 24/7 customer support while compared to the other CPQs, because Salesforce they given the 24/7 customer support. If you raise any ticket, if you raise any case, immediately the Salesforce team they respond on it, and it will be resolved our customer issue as soon as possible. Good, ma'am?
Okay. Yes. So the Salesforce CPQ runs on standard objects. So you can't create custom objects in CPQ.
Yes, we can create it. Yes, we can create the custom objects. But why we are creating on a custom objects? Based on the business requirement. Am I right? But in the Salesforce CPQ point of view, they have a number of standard objects. For example, as of now, we know about only on a account, contact, opportunity, lead, case, solution, task, activity, campaign members. These are all the standard objects we have on it. Am I right? Product, quote. These are all the standard objects we are aware on it. But in the Salesforce CPQ, they have a different standard objects is a price rule, product rule, and different standard objects is there. And in the Salesforce have very limited fields is there. In a product object, they have a maximum 30 to 40 fields. But in the Salesforce CPQ point of view, they have a number of fields out there. Different fields. And the futures, this is the one of the standard object. And option constraints, different standard objects is there. So no need to create on a custom object.
Oh, okay, got it. And you also sales, right, got it. Thank you. And you mentioned,
yes, ma'am.
Next point, you said that Salesforce gives 24/7 customer support. I thought it's all self-paced learning, right? Does it really talk to you in terms of?
No, ma'am. Here, for example, my client they raising one product. Here I'm adding some product bundles. At the time, they have some issues. The initially administrator and developer they raised they have to configure these all the products. But the issue was not resolved. Because of that the product is not compatible with the Salesforce CPQ package. Okay, but my client requirements was I want to add these products. I want to add this functionality. So at the time you have to raise a ticket to this Salesforce team. The Salesforce team will resolve that issue now.
Okay.
Basically, in our IST time zone, they have a only morning 6 to evening 10 o'clock. But if the case is on the midnight of 12 or early morning 2 o'clock, at that time also, the Salesforce team, they responded on it.
Okay.
365 days, it is working.
Okay.
So that is the reason Salesforce is the #1 CRM application.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So before that, before going to the Salesforce CPQ, first of all, in the CPQ, okay, CPQ will start on a steel brick. Okay, steel brick company was founded by Max Roadman in 2012. In 2012, okay. You now see your application. Okay. So in CPQ will start on a steel brick company was founded by a Max Roadman. Max Roadman in 2012. This person, they have founded this company, and this company was invented by the CPQ in a Salesforce platform. In a Salesforce platform, right? Before by the Salesforce company, right? The CPQ, the previous name was Steel Brick CPQ. Steel Brick CPQ. Okay, ma'am. Basically, nowadays the CPQ, it is a Salesforce CPQ. But before that, we can call as a Steel Brick CPQ. Steel Brick CPQ. In a last few years back, Salesforce hired Steel Brick CPQ. Now we can call as a Salesforce CPQ. But in the Steel Brick CPQ also, before another name called the Steel Brick CPQ, okay, in the previous name called 𝐶𝐞 quickly. Right, ma'am? First, the CPQ name was a 𝐶𝐞 quickly. Next, Steel Brick CPQ. Next, it is a Salesforce CPQ. Ma'am, understood?
Yeah.
First, it is a 𝐶𝐞 quickly.
Yeah, I got it.
After that, name will be changed. It has a Steel Brick CPQ. Once Salesforce company, they hired this CPQ, then we can call as a Salesforce CPQ. Salesforce CPQ. Right?
Right.
Understood, ma'am? This is the initialization. After that, now C in essence, configure. So configure is nothing but which products customer needs. Configure, it is nothing but which products customer needs. Its needs on a like the standalone products or any bundle products or any subscription products. Right? So these all things, everything will comes under to the configuration part. Everything will under in a configuration part. Okay, ma'am. So in the configuration part point of view, on which products we need to configure on it. Like we have a standard product is that, and bundle product, and a subscription product. So in the ma'am, are you able to hear me?
Yes. So
Hello?
can you hear me?
Yeah.
The time right now is 11 o'clock for us. So this was a demo session. I will talk to Satish after our class. I wanted to know is if this is your convenient time for further classes, because the 10:30 timing will be too late for me. Your 9 o'clock is our 10:30. Can you come in at least an hour early if we go ahead? Is that possible for you?
Sure, ma'am, definitely. Actually, I don't know, you are staying in different country. Okay, no issues. I will check with that person. Okay.
Yeah. And one other thing, how do you give hands-on training?
Here I'm given to the, Salesforce CPQ package installation part, everything I will tell you.
No, normally I log into Trailhead and do my stuff there. Is it how you do it, or do you anything else that you're planning to do?
So here in the real time, what type of cases we are using on it? Okay, different use cases how we can implement in our Salesforce CPQ package. Okay, and in the Trailhead also they given only 1 month trial out, right? But in the CPQ package, if you install in our normal our free org, they given 3 months 90 days period.
Okay, so
And in this package, for example, in the Trailhead also some of the components is already configured on it, right? But in the once you have to install into the our CPQ package in our free trial org, so you need to install your own way, right?
okay.
Here I'm given under the some sample products you need to add, and you need to add a price, you need to add a pricing and standard price.
Okay. So where is the environment for that again? I'm sorry. You have your own sandbox that you'll be sharing?
No, ma'am. I'm not given any. Right as of now, I don't have any sandboxes. But in the free trial org, we have already trial org is there now, developer.salesforce.com.
Okay.
So in this trial org only, you need to install our Salesforce packages, Salesforce CPQ package.
Okay. How is that
so in the
Trailhead that they give you? I mean, is it just the time duration? Trailhead has 1 month thing.
Yeah, it is only 1 month it can given on it. But in this package, they given 90 days.
Oh, okay. And after that, if you have access to that environment sandbox, how do we do that?
So at that time, you need to purchase on it, ma'am.
Oh, okay. From free org, you're telling? Is that what it is?
Yes.
Okay. So the hands-on training will be happening on the free org thing.
Yes, free org.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I mean, this was just a demo session. So I think I have an idea of what you were trying to explain during the class, because this session was mainly for me to understand, the training and see if we can, have the session going on, because again, there are many constraints, and I do have a knowledge on, PLM tools and how things work. So for me, I wanted someone who can actually explain from the high level on, and then we get into the details of how we execute that technically. So that is what I was looking for. So if we can actually, whenever you're trying to explain a concept to me, if you can go up to the, high level of, how we kind of use it on the business perspective, like, you were trying to explain about the bundles, using the iPhone example. If you can actually give me an example, of how we use it in, let's say, in certain domains, certain domain knowledge, that will be more easier for me to understand, rather than taking up, the regular iPhone thing. I know that this way you were trying to make it easier for me, so I could, get it. But this was something that I was looking for. And then, going on, after you give me that idea of how this functionality works, we can then get into the hands-on part of it, and we can,
yes, ma'am. In future,
technically.
Yes, ma'am. Basically, in the CPQ point of view, they have a number of concepts there. Okay, so some of the concepts it will be taken on 2 hours, 3 hours time also. Okay, at the time I will explain on which cases we are using this concept. Okay, everything I will explain about that one.
Okay.
Because of this is a just This is normal Salesforce demo, right? So in the Salesforce demo, I'm gonna explain only on the what is the CPQ and why we are using on the CPQ. This is a prospect only. They are given under the demo session.
Right. Yes. So that's what I wanted to convey, what my requirements are. So, going forward, you understand where I stand and what kind of training I'm expecting from the tutor. So that way we are on the same page.
Yeah.
Okay. And the time zone parts, I think we could, discuss regarding.
Yeah, I will discuss with Satya. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think you're good on that. There's anything, I'm just trying to see if there's anything else that I wanted to ask you. Before you leave this session, can you actually, can I actually share my screen over to you?
Sure, definitely.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this was something I tried to do on Salesforce. This is the trailhead, right? You might have seen this multiple times.
Yes.
So I was just trying to, I kind of get lost in this. So bear with me, please. Okay, so over here, I just quickly wanted to show you something. Okay, I think it's this one. This is regarding import data.
Yeah. This is data import.
Yes. So I tried doing this. I think they are trying to import accounts.
Before that, we need to download this CSV file, ma'am.
Right, I downloaded that and saved it as a .csv file.
Okay.
Let's where this thing internet connection is unstable. So you're telling me this trailhead access will last for a month. That's what you're trying to tell, right? This is
no, only CPQ, but this trailer you have to access and enter your lifetime.
Oh, okay. You mean the CPQ part over here? Okay, I didn't find any
CPQ part. Yeah, CPQ part only.
Okay. So for that, I need to sign up. That's what you're saying. Which is
yeah.
Okay, got it.
What is JK, ma'am? Data loader or data import user, right?
Yes. Wait, hold on a second.
No, not here. Go to the setup. In the next tab only, na?
Yeah.
Okay. In the quick find search box.
Oh,
not here, na? Yeah. Data import. See here. Click on it. Scroll down. Launch wizard. Now you have to select in the account and contacts. Add new. Drag and drop that file. You have to drag and drop here also. No issues.
Oh, drag and drop. That is sitting on my desktop. So this goes all the way. So let's actually pull it from here. Okay. Value separated by comma. Okay, next. So this is happening. So what I'm trying to do is trying to map it. So this person, so they say that, F name to contact.
Contact first name, contact last name.
Contact table. And
yeah.
Right. And the field is contact. So I don't know if this is UI some
Ma'am,
issue.
just you have to scroll. I mean, minimize your. You have to increase your, decrease your size. Control and just scroll up.
Control and scroll up, is it?
Yes. No, scroll down, scroll down. Control and scroll down. Your mouse. Are you using mouse or laptop thing?
No, I don't have a mouse. Actually, I'm on my laptop with my thing.
Otherwise,
there must be an OK tab.
No. I'm given to the. I mean, please give me the access.
Yeah, I gave you the access.
If you control, I mean, if you increase this screen now, what happened? Controlling. Yeah. Okay. 1 second.
Okay.
Now you can see na map.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. So you did Control M or Control N?
Control and scroll down.
Okay.
Okay. Last name, right?
Okay. Last name, right?
Map.
Yeah, this I got. I think map is phone or something. The cell part of it.
Cell point we are using on mobile phone.
Mobile, right? Mobile. You're right. Mobile.
Mobile. Huh? Okay.
Mobile.
Contact mobile.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on the next and complete your fix.
Okay. So can I have the control back, please?
Sure.
Okay.
Start.
Start import.
Okay.
Click OK. Okay.
Status completed.
Status completed. Okay.
See here.
Okay. All the account and lead information got inside. Okay. Okay, got it. And the other thing that I wanted to ask you, it's kind of data management. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, what is a lightning experience thing? Do we touch that in CPQ module?
Everything in lightning only, ma'am. Here.
Oh, so is it an app or something, or what is lightning?
No. Basically, in the Salesforce have two types of user interfaces: Classic and Lightning. Classic is the older one, Lightning is the newer one.
Okay. So is it the UI part? Okay.
Yes, UI part. In the UI part, in a sense, what type of pages you have to add it. Okay, in that record page, how many fields we need to display on it. In the record page, what type of fields I need to display in the user interface. Everything we have to given under this trailhead of.
Oh.
This part.
Okay, so this part, because that is what it is, right? So we need the lightning experience customization part. Okay, I'm in the beginner program. So I was just trying to see, what do we need in CPQ?
Okay, no issues, ma'am. I will explain this part also. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
The normal Salesforce little configuration part also I will explain you. Ma'am, did you aware about that workflow rules, process builder, flows?
I'm generally aware of all the workflows and how it works, but I'm not aware with respect to Salesforce part of it, how it's done and all that. So
okay, so before going to the Salesforce CPQ, first of all, we need to idea about on Salesforce administration.
Okay.
Admin part it's required. Means
right.
Relationships part. Relationships is the must and should. And the profiles, user base, these all the concepts. It is very, very important.
Okay. I'll touch base. I'll review those concepts again. So that
why? Because of 1 second, ma'am. Here, Salesforce security, it is a very, very important thing because of every user cannot be access to every record.
Mm.
And every user cannot be access to the same application, same objects and everything. You have to just configure on it. Level of access you have to provide. That is the important point, important key role will place onto the Salesforce projects.
Okay.
In the rest of development and everything will be on a different scenario. But once user login into the Salesforce account or once user login into our application, what they can see, what they can access, on which records it can be edited, and which records it can only see. Sometimes I don't want to display the records in some particular users.
Mm.
Right? These all the scenarios have to learn on it. Not only CPQ, when you go for any Salesforce products, this is the mandatory things. Because functionality, it is the next part, next level. But once enter into our application, what type of access you have to provide it. Right?
But that depends upon the business needs, right? That we will.
Yes, that is depends on the business needs. But in the business needs, they have to give an the implementation of you or me or some other developer, right? But without knowing this all the things, in the Salesforce CPQ, it is good for that all the administrator because of development part, it is very less. Right, because of all configurations, everything in only a point and click tools. That's it.
Right. So, one thing that I noticed with Salesforce was that normally when you're using an Excel sheet, we have this and all that. I felt that Salesforce can do that in the list views without, getting into the complexities of the pivot tables that we used to do in Excel. Is that understanding correct or no?
No, basically list views in a sense, we have a different types of list views is there based on the criteria, the records will be displayed.
So it is not pivot tables, is it? Because I saw the donut chart and all that. We kind of create a list view.
that is all the dashboards, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
That is the dashboards. Reports and the dashboards.
Okay. All right.
So that's what now, first of all, you have to learn the admin, then go to the CPQ. This is the very good approach.
Okay. So that's what I'm trying to do. Admin level, I can get a hands-on in that with using the trailhead part of it. So I can get that done. I was looking mainly for, someone who can help me with the CPQ part of it. And, while doing that, I can also run through the admin part of it. So that was what I was thinking, because I do have a fair understanding of these tools. So once I review the training and everything, which I felt was very comfortable for me when I navigated through that and all that, it was not a difficult concept, because when we speak about relationships, we all know that, what are lookup, what are one-to-many, and things like that, right? Those are not too complicated, but it needs a review on how it is done. So that part I can handle. I was looking for some to have a strong CPQ thing so they can guide me through this entire process.
Sure, definitely.
Okay. All right. So do you go by Nandakumar, your full name, or do you have a short?
Actually, Shivanand.
Okay.
I'm based from India in Bangalore location.
Okay. Shivan, how come I got Nandakumar on my screen? Is that your last name?
No, actually, I'm putting on my Zoom meeting as a Nandakumar only. My full name is Shivanand.
Oh, okay. So you're Shiva. Okay.
Yes.
Do you go by Shiva or Shivanand?
Shivanand Kumar.
Shivanand Kumar. Okay. All right.
Yes.
All right, Shivanand Kumar. I will speak. Or Shiva, I'll call you Shiva. I'll speak
no issues, ma'am.
All right. And by the way, I'm Samyukta. You can call me Sam. It's much easier. Okay. And so you said you work in Bangalore, Hyderabad, right? Do you work for a company? An MNC at this point?
Yes, but as per our institute policy, I'm not telling everything.
Oh, okay, that's fine. I understand that every company has a rule. Now, I just wanted to know if you're a tutor or if you, or do you work in an MNC?
No, I'm working, ma'am. I'm working. I'm
Okay.
part-time trainer.
Oh, okay, okay. So you do have experience implementing all these in your Salesforce environment within your organization.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, because I'm also looking for someone who can help me, because as we are getting, when we get into that, and if I need any support within the company, I have some support of calling SSIT and just checking with you, because you help me too. You would be tutoring me, right? If I fell into any kind of issues while I'm running through, is it okay if I can contact you and sort through that?
Yeah, okay. In future we will do, ma'am.
Okay.
We'll do it, Sam. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Nandakumar. Shivanand.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Sam.
Okay.
Good night.
Okay.
And take care.
Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye.